Of course, we have to catch the Ford GT40s, or in this case, the Ford GTs. What a wonderful treat Ford Motor Company gave us. There we go. Take it in all its splendor.
No, we'll wait. What did you go at Minter? Alright.
What a car. Thank you again, Ford Motor Company. And of course, where a Ford show be without Cobras? Interesting with these cars. The history is fantastic. Of course, it was an AC Ace, and Carol stuffed the Ford V8 into it, and the legend was born.
See you around. Thanks for having us.
But what was intriguing was that it just kept going and going and going. Now there's a way to protect your car.
That's little Joe. He's waiting on us to go get something to eat,
Oh,
get water, and then get him set up in the shade, which is going to be right behind that garbage can.
sounds good.
Yeah.
I thought you had him there to protect your car from people touching it.
Well, you can see he's not doing a real good job of it.
Well, actually he is.
Now he'll protect the room. It's like the maid stepped into the room. My God, he was all over her.
Yeah. Yeah, you're protecting the car. You're looking so cute that everyone comes and touches you,
Yeah.
not the car.
That's
I
little
know.
Joe.
Hi, little Joe. Oh.
He is a miniature pincer.
Oh.
His brothers were black and tan like pincers. He was the only one to come out friendly.
What a little sweetie.
Oh, he is. He's just a darling.
So tell me about your car.
Well-
First off, whose is it?
It is. Oh shoot!
I know the feeling well.
You know what? Old age, you can forget it. It's over. Classic Roadster
Very good.
out of Fargo, North Dakota. I found it in a dealership up in Indiana, Pennsylvania.
Uh-huh.
I went up to buy a red one that he had. When I went to look at the red one, it had automatic. I said, I don't want an automatic.
No.
He says, I got another one in my dealership up in Indiana. I said, you got any pictures? Took me into his office, and first picture I saw, I said, you call your manager right now, tell him do not sell that car. I'm on my way up. I went up and bought it.
Very good.
And I put new wheel wood brakes, the heat shields, I put power steering, changed the tires, changed the wheels.
Nice.
Put all new front suspension. Put a new engine in it. So I've
What do you
done
have in
a
it?
lot of work since I bought it.
What is this?
That is a Z460 small block Ford Performance racing crate engine.
Oh my gosh, that's all alloy?
Yeah, I was down here 3 years ago, and Ford Performance had a tent set up, and they gave me a catalog, and that catalog cost me $12,000.
I love it. I just love it. Thank you, Ford Nationals, Carlisle.
Yeah.
You know, it's like it works. But this is why we come here, is
Yes,
to get
exactly.
connected.
I come every year.
This
come
is
every
great.
year.
This is
I
beautiful.
will have to say, the older I get, the harder it is.
Yeah, but look at what you get to drive down
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So this is really sweet.
Thank you.
Really sweet.
Thank you very much.
Definitely. Do you ever let little Joe drive?
He drove over here.
Ah, very
Yeah.
good.
I mean, I wanted to drive, but he wouldn't let me.
Well, he has a license,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, he's got all kinds on him there.
There we go. Right, little Joe?
Oh, Joey.
Yeah.
I said, is that your co-pilot? I said, no, that's my pilot.
That's
He
it.
drives.
This is beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
What is your first name?
Cliff.
Cliff?
I'm
A
from-
pleasure.
What's your name?
Pam,
Pam. Pleased to meet you, Pam.
you got it.
From a little town called Prosperities, 50 miles south of Pittsburgh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what I shoot for.
Okay, Pam. Well,
Thank you. That is great.
Thank you for the interview.
Oh, you got it, Cliff. Thank you. Keep going. I mean, this is what really makes the hobby. It's meeting people like Cliff and the passion behind it. You feel the passion as you look at these cars and realize what it's all about. And then when you speak to the people, Factory 5. Nice little beastie. I see your Blue Moon Cruiser.
Oh yeah, well, you've been to our car show.
Oh, I love Blue Moon Cruisers.
Yeah?
They have great shows. They always put on some good
You've
things.
advertised for us too, I think.
Yeah, well, Blue Moon Cruisers puts the ads
Yeah, we
on.
put it on your site.
Yeah, and I go over, take photos and videos and
Yeah,
promote.
well, I run the car show.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. What is your first name?
Jim.
Jim?
Yeah.
I do appreciate it.
Oh, no problem.
So appreciate you supporting Northeast Wheels events, and I really appreciate supporting Blue Moon Cruisers.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that.
Good bunch of folks.
Yeah, I think so too. It's a great club.
Oh, that's it.
July 14th,
All right, July 14th, and it's going to be
New Kingstown Firehouse.
very good. Right in the back. Come
back.
hungry.
Come hungry.
They've got great food. They've got the auctions going on.
Yeah. Door
plenty of
prizes, 50-50,
Yep.
vendors, ice cream,
Forget
music.
it. Jim, you got me right there. Ice cream.
Everything.
I'm
Yeah.
there.
A lot of nice cars.
Oh yeah, that too.
That too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did a 60 Edsel last year. It was the four-door sedan. That was nice.
Yeah.
I like that car as a driver.
Yeah.
So it's really cool.
Oh, yeah.
Really cool. Tell me about your Cobra now.
Well, it's a Factory 5 replica.
Mm-hmm.
I built it in started 2014, had it on the road in 2015, and
Very good.
that's been a fun little toy for the last almost 10 years now.
Sounds good. Now, would you advise other people to build them themselves?
Oh yeah, very much so. Because the project, I thought I was going to enjoy building it more than driving it, actually, because I had so much fun building it. But I enjoyed both. And I would
Good.
do it again. I would highly recommend if you don't need you need some skills, but you don't need to be a mechanic to be able to build one.
That says a lot.
Yeah.
Forum. There's a lot of people on the forum to help you build it.
Yep.
Yeah.
And people like us, we give our numbers out all the time. People call us and ask questions and have problems. We try and help them through them. So it's, especially if you have a child that is interested in cars, it's a great parent-child project. And there I would highly recommend something like this.
Oh, Jim, that's great.
A great project.
Did you build your car too?
Yes, I did. My Mark III.
Hold on, I'm going to have to get closer to hear you. Thank you, Jim.
Yep.
Yes, I purchased my Factory 5 kit in 07 when my son, my oldest, was in high school.
Oh,
And
perfect.
So his senior year, we got the car built and rolling, and then he went off to college, and he's now off in the world.
That's great.
So-
Is he a gearhead yet?
Yeah, he's built his own cars. He's on his second project, building a Mustang. So
Great.
yeah.
Now, you see, folks, that's the way you get young people involved. So come on, young people love cars.
Yeah.
You
yes.
just have to reach out to them through the calendar. Electronic means does it, and it's not Facebook, folks.
Have a good one.
Oh, thank you. Your first name?
Brett.
Brett? Appreciate it, Brett.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jim.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
Now, by the way, Brett, where do you live?
I live right here in town.
And you're a member of Blue Moon Cruisers?
No.
Why
he
not?
hasn't- Yes.
Why not?
He's been after me. He's been after me. I have the right color hair.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. This is fantastic. I mean, this is what I love. Yeah. How into it can you get? Thank you.
Yeah.
Of course, I have to catch up with this Daytona coupe. That is cool. That is cool. Interesting. Interesting. Kind of cute stuff. Look at that. Jeez. Wow. This is an old build. Well loved and well driven. Oof. Rally North America. Oh yeah. See, that's what cars are made for. They're made to be driven. Look at that. Bumpers. Wow. I've only seen, it's got the AC on the wheel. Yeah, don't ever tell true Shelby people, don't call it an AC Cobra, always a Shelby Cobra. This one's beautifully done, beautifully done. Check the rims, the knockoffs with the safety wires tucked underneath. Oh, this is sweet, sweet, sweet. What's funny is that there are times you're going to have trouble telling if it's real or not. And you better have good detail to find out. That is gorgeous. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. The 2024 Ford Nationals in Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, host and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows.